someone asked about using a newsletter
Yeah.
to create a newsletter or blog that targets their customers. So, and they said they're building their email lists. I'm paraphrasing here, and they want to send info to customers. Yeah. First of all, like quick, fast, because like I want to get to more questions and the clock is ticking. You should be building an email list and a text message list. You should be getting people's cell phone numbers and their email address, whether through your card system, when they sign up at the POS system, in store, online, make sure they're giving you that information. What software could you use? So there are some e-commerce ones. There's MailerLite. There's like ConvertKit. There's quite a few for doing email newsletters. I kind of lean towards the free ones in the beginning. Like Beehive has a free tier to start with, so you get to so many people. There's Ghost. It doesn't have to be super complicated. Get something that's
MailChimp works just fine.
MailChimp. Totally forgot about MailChimp. Like get something that's simple. Listen, here's the key. Choose one and freaking start. Don't worry about the perfect one. I have technology paralysis. I'll like, oh, we need this app. And then I get one and I'm like comparing it to the next one. And then I start with one and I have buyer's remorse. Choose one, start. Craft your email, figure out what's going to be in it, and just start sending them. And then get feedback. Find your super consumers. And the super consumers are people that use you the most, that love your service, that brag about your service to other people, and get information from them. How could you do it better? What would you like to see in a newsletter, etc. So yeah, Ghost, Beehive, MailChimp, ConvertKit, MailerLite. And any of those names, you could also put in Google and just put like MailerLite alternatives, and it will give you a list of their competitors on Google. I find plenty of apps that way.
Here's a super tip for you, but it's dangerous. I've fallen prey to this, but there's a site called AppSumo.
Oh,
AppSumo has a bunch of different softwares. A lot of them are like just starting up, but they're alternatives to popular ones. And a lot of times it's a one-time fee instead of a monthly subscription when they're on AppSumo, and then they go monthly. They're on there for a limited time. But I pick up stuff all the time, probably too many things actually over time.
It's addictive.
On AppSumo. I know it is addictive, but that can be a great place. They always have newsletter softwares and stuff coming out. So check out AppSumo over there. And